Hello, and welcome to the math question of the day with Miss Adoye. This is all about fractions today, and today I'm going to show you how to subtract from a whole. Well, I like to think about fractions as having one whole chocolate bar and I have to share, one whole bag of candy and I need to share, or even pizza, which is one of our favorite things to compare it to. So let's take a look at this first question. 6 minus 1/4. That's like saying you have 6 boxes of pizza, but you want to take out 1/4. We always look at the denominator. The denominator here is 4, which means that each box of pizza is going to have 4 slices. Well, that's perfect to think about because we have 6 whole boxes. I don't want to open up all the boxes to just get one slice. So, what would you do? You'll probably just open one box. That's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to circle 6 and we're going to decompose it into 2 parts. One part is going to be the one pizza that you've taken out. And what's going to be left if you take away 1 from 6? 5. Well, we've always asked ourselves this question with a fraction: what is 1? And in this case, one whole box of pizza would be 4/4. So instead of leaving 1 there, I'm going to change it into 4/4 because it's the same thing. And now I'm ready to subtract my 1/4. The denominators will remain the same. And so we just have to add 4 and 1, which will now give us, we will have to subtract 4 minus 1, which will now give us 3. So what's our answer? Everything we have left: 5 and 3/4. So the answer is 5 and 3/4. Let's take a look at it in another way. We have 7 minus 4/5. Again, let's go off to the side and write what 1 is. 1 will equal 5/5. Now that we know that, I want to quickly draw a number line to illustrate what this might look like. So we draw our number lines. We always start off with 0, and we can't just have 1 because we actually have 7 whole parts. So the largest number this number line will go up to is 7. So now we just need to write all the numbers between 0 and 7. So that means that we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, this is not equal parts. However, I'm about to show you why I left this much space between 6 and 7. Well, just like we explained in the last question, you're going to have to only open up one box of pizza. So, in this part between 6 and 7, I'm going to decompose it into 5 pieces. That means I'm going to draw 4 lines. Now I will have 5 pieces. And since you started off at 7, but your number line is going to go backwards, we're now going to take away 4/5. So we're taking away 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. So how many do you have left? We have 6 and only one more fifth left. So the answer is 6 and 1/5. This is if you wanted to do it on a number line. And of course, we have one more question. This has a huge number: 26 whole parts, 26 boxes of pizza, 26 whole bags of candy. But we love, the bigger the number is no problem for us. So we know we have a strategy. Which strategy from what I just did would I want to choose to answer this question as quickly as I can? the number bond. I would definitely decompose this. Now, again, strategy number one, write what 1 equals. 1 equals 10/10 because the denominator is 10. Now that we know that, let's go ahead and see what if we circle 26, what will its number bond be? You only need to take out 1 because you have 10/10 in 1. So that means I'm going to have 25 whole boxes and one of them is going to be open. Well, what is 1? What's another way to say 1? Another way to say 1 is 10/10. So now we could go ahead and say what is 10/10 minus 7/10. Again, the denominators are the same, so we're going to keep it that way. And now we're going to say, what is 10 minus 7? You could always put 7 in your head and count up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 3/10. So what's your answer? Your answer is everything that's left, 25 and 3/10. So you will have 25 whole boxes of pizza and 3/10 of another box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this truly helps. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or comments. I can't wait to see them.